Step number 1, you can browse and choose your job. Step 2, all you gotta do just click on the apply button and start working. And step 3, you can receive your payment within 24 hours. This opportunity is 100% legit and you do not need any previous experience. You don't need any money or investment to get started and you'll get paid on time every single day. In fact, they pay you up to $90 per hour, and when you're working for 3 hours a day, you can earn $270. And when you're working for 5 hours a day, you can earn up to $450. All of this opportunity, they're accepting many different countries right now. All you need is just a mobile phone or a computer plus an internet connection to get started. So in just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up for a free account, and then I'll walk you through all the full instruction on how to do this. And by the end of watching this video, you are ready to make your first payment online. So make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on any important steps. So I want you to go onto this website, which is lithium.org. Now I know that some of you guys already seen this website before, but this is completely different from whatever you've seen before. Basically on this website, you can find different data entry jobs that you can do and make hundreds of dollars. Before we get started, make sure you watch the full video all the way until the end. First of all, I'll show you the details of your job, how much money you can make and what is the requirement. Number 2, I'll show you how to secure your first job today and make your first payment $100 up to $270 with just your mobile phone or a computer. Finally, I'll walk you through a step-by-step 2 examples and demos so that you can see exactly how I do it. Once again, as you can see here, this is one of the example of the data entry job, and this is from another company which will show you everything on details right on this video. Right now, let's go back to lithium.org and I want to show you how to sign up for a free account. All you gotta do, just click on this button right here, sign up free. And that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, just put in your email address and click on this I'm not a robot, and you can sign up for a free account. Once you log in into your account, you're able to browse on different projects and find different works to do and start making money. So right here on the left section, you can see the different categories of jobs that you can do. For example, surveys, graphic and design, social and digital marketing, and there are a whole list of all the categories that you can work on and start earning money. But in today's video, I want to show you which is data entry job. As you can see here, data entry and collection, and I want you to go ahead and click on this link. From there, that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, right now the first thing that you gotta do is to sort all the projects. So when you click on this down arrow here, you can basically sort by newest first or the reward from highest to the lowest, meaning from the highest earning to the lowest earning. So right there, you can just choose on this category and they're gonna automatically filter all the job for you. Say for example, this one right here, they pay you $1,500 up to $1,750, which is incredible. But of course, the job like this where they pay you a lot of money, it requires more work and more experience. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can find a very simple data entry job that you can do it on your phone or your computer, just like this one right here, and you can easily earn $90 per hour or even more. So right there, when you scroll down below, you're able to browse on different projects and find which one that you like. But right now I want to show you a real life example and show you a demo on a project that I'm doing right now. So I want you to check this out: data entry, business name, phone, and etc. And they pay you $400 up to $500. So right there, all you gotta do, just click on the project right here, and that's gonna take you to this page. As you can see here, that's the title of the job, which is data entry and business name and phone. Right there, rest assured that you can actually receive your payment because all of the people who post the job right here, they're actually verified by Lithium themselves. So again, over here on the reward offer, you can actually earn about $400 up to $500 per job, and the required skill is actually Google Sheets. Over here, you can see I'm actually on my Google Sheets right here, and once again, you can do this on your phone or computer, don't worry about that. And I'll walk you through all the step-by-step instruction in just a moment. Make sure you keep watching. So right now, the first thing that I want you to do is to actually take out your phone or your computer, and I want you to go on to google.com and search for Google Sheet. So right there, I want you to go ahead and click on the first thing, which is Google Sheets free online spreadsheets. That's gonna take you to this page where you can download this for free on your phone or your computer. So just go ahead and click on this blue button right here. That's gonna take you to this page where you can sign into your Google account. If you have a Gmail, you can actually straight away use the Google Sheet services. But if you don't have a Gmail or Google account, you can just go and click on this button right here to create an account, and you can choose for myself. And from there, you can create your brand new Google account and start using Google Sheets. Just put in your first name, your last name, and your username for this email, and put in your password. You can sign up for a free account. Once you're able to go into the Google Sheet services, you're able to create a brand new blank document document as you can see here. So the title of this spreadsheet is actually laundry business name compilation. Basically for this category of work, you usually need to do some research on the internet. One of the most basic work that you're gonna do is to go on to Google and research for different business names, and you're gonna actually find their contact number and their business address, and you're gonna do the data entry and put them into this spreadsheet. It's actually very simple, but that's gonna take you a little bit of time when you're doing some Google searching. So say for example, if they want you to search for all the laundry businesses in Phoenix region in the United States, you just have to go on to Google and search for laundry in Phoenix. So basically you're gonna scroll down below and look for the Google map right here as you can see, and I want you to click on this more businesses. That's gonna open up a new window as you can see here, where they're gonna lay out all the laundry businesses in the Phoenix region. Right now all you gotta do, you can start doing the data entry job for all the business name as you can see here. So say for example, when you click on this business right there, that's gonna open up this tab as you can see here. This is the name of the business. So all you gotta do is just go and highlight the name and click on copy. And once again, you can do this on your phone as well, but just that the screen is a little bit smaller. Right there, we can just go back to our Google Sheets and just paste the name of the business name right there. It's actually very simple. Moving on, we'll need two more details, which is the address of the business and also the contact numbers. So right there, we can just go back to Google and look for the address. As you can see here, we can just copy this one right here, click on copy, and just go back to a spreadsheet and paste the address into this box. And for the contact number, you're usually able to find that on Google as well. As you can see here, this is the contact number of this business. Moving on, we're going to repeat this on the second business, which is Organic Care Dry Cleaners. Just copy this name. Then we're going to go back here and paste that right there. As you can see here, everything is very simple. Right now, I'm going to give you the first bonus tip, is that for certain businesses, sometimes you might not be able to find the address or the contact numbers. What you can do is that you can actually go on and click on the website link right here, and that's going to take you to the official website of this laundry business, and you're usually able to find the contact numbers or the address right there on their website. And once again, that's going to take you some extra work, but actually all the steps is pretty simple. So once you start doing it for a little while, you're going to get faster and faster. So if you're still following right now, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to move on to the second example, because this is actually very simple, and they're going to pay you about $200 up to $225. We can just go and click on the project right here, and that's going to take you to this page as you can see here, where you can get paid $200 up to $225. And once again, the required skill is Google Sheets. Right now, this is one of the examples that I want to show you, and the title is Apparel Manufacturing Order 447. Right there, for this type of job, you'll need more tabs and more category as you can see here, which is customer ID, first name, email address, the t-shirt size, and also the order date. Once you receive this job, they're going to give you a PDF file where you can find all the information, for example, all the details as you can see here. So what you're going to do is that you're going to transfer all the details from the PDF file into the Google spreadsheet. Right there, for this type of job, you don't have to do any research on Google. For example, the one that I showed just now. For the previous job, you'll need some Google searching, some research to find the address, to find the contact numbers, and we're going to input them into a Google spreadsheet. But for this type of job, it's more simple. You don't have to use any brain power. Just literally type in and put in all the data into all the relevant boxes as you can see here. But right now, I want to give you a very special tip, is that make sure you do not do any spelling mistake or any typing mistake. That's very important, because they're going to check for your accuracy. If you don't meet 98% accuracy, your job gonna get removed and you will not get paid. Very important, make sure you take note on that. Moving on, once you complete the projects, you can go on and find more projects that you can do on latium.org. Basically, some of them is more difficult, some of them is more simple, just like what I showed you, the two examples.